Stocks bouncing here, Carl, after some positive comments from President Trump on the current U.S.-China trade negotiations. We're up about 160 points for the Dow Industrial, 0.6%. S&P 500 also up above 2,800. Up about 0.6% as well. Here are the sectors that are leading us higher right now. Industrials, those trade-sensitive stocks. Some Boeing-specific news also helping that stock move to the upside here by around 2.5%. Caterpillar also coming off its lows, up about 0.75%. As you guys were discussing, banks also leading this market higher in early trade as a 10-year yield ticks higher. Names like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, KeyCorp, so some of the bigger names and regional banks trading to the upside right now by around 1 to 2% in early trade. Here's where we stand for the week. The three worst performing sectors: energy still down about 4%, tech down about 3%, driven largely by the semiconductor stocks, and retail, even with everything that's happened this week, it's down about 2%. While those defensive groups, utilities, healthcare, and real estate, are on track to close the week in the green. Utilities session highs again this morning, up 2%. Still, some big swings that we've seen throughout the week. Three big things impacting the market. First, it was those trade dispute negotiations taking place between the U.S. and China, taking aim at Huawei and tech. You saw that drop. And then the retailers, a number of them, talking about the negative impact of tariffs and then that stronger dollar, two-year high. But here on Friday, we are coming off the lows. The story overseas, though, we should point out, much worse. According to EPFR Global, EM equity funds saw withdrawals of $3.8 billion this week, bringing the 5-week outflows to $7.8 billion. That's primarily driven by China. So, yes, sitting on losses for the week, Sarah, but much worse overseas. Back to you.